Good morning. Today is day 5 and we are on our way to Universal. We just picked up our car rental and had some breakfast and off we go.
We'll see you when you get to the park.
Lesson number 1, never lose your party. On our way to Universal Studios right now, going to Diagon Alley.
And if you ever have bags, always go to the farthest line. It always seems to be fastest and shortest.
Butterbeer. Just rode Transformers. Such a good ride. So good. I still want the Bumblebee sweater, but I'm not going to spend it.
Oh, Bumblebee's right there.
We did Jurassic Park. Well, wet, sort of. And now we're going to the Hulk. Just did the Hulk ride.
And we're just taking off to have something to eat and then we'll be back here.
Just went shopping at the outlet malls. I know I look terrible, but whatever, that's okay. I got my new Guess purse, my once in a year splurge, and I'm super happy. And I found some stuff at the Disney outlet. Got a really nice cruise sweater. It says Disney Cruise Line on it. It's normally, what was it, $60, and it was on for like half price. So that was a really good find. And happy with the car rental. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get changed, and then go out for supper.
Hey, so we just finished day 5. Today was a very long day. We did 2 Universal parks in one day. We got lucky. The lines were really short. 10-20 minutes the most we waited in line, but it was a really hot day, and of course those 2 parks had no shade at all, so it kind of made the day a little bit long. After that we went to the outlet malls, and we got to have my CC's for supper, which we'll only get when we're down south here. Tomorrow, Magic Kingdom, that's our last day of parks. After that, Friday morning we get up nice and early to go to Miami, get on a cruise to the Panama Canal. So we're not going to have any kind of signal, so we'll be still uploading stuff online and to our Instagram account at Chris and Amanda TV. See you tomorrow. Bye.